Welcome to this new video from the ASART 3D website. We will see in this tutorial how to use the gradient node to create a before, after effect in Blender. You are watching a quick tutorial video. Other types of videos are available on my site. To create this effect, we only need a plane and a camera. We will then assign to the plane a material containing the two images to compare. And finally we will animate the map range node to allow the comparison of the two images. We will now add a plane to the dimension of the photos to compare. In our case the dimensions are 1920 by 1080. First add a plane and rotate it on the x-axis. Now resize the plane to the dimensions of your photos. We will now place the camera and calibrate it correctly. The scene will have the same dimensions as the photo and the camera will be an orthographic type. Make sure your scene resolution matches the resolution of your photos. In the Object Data Properties tab, change the camera type to orthographic to avoid photo distortion. Make sure you are correctly positioned in front of the plane and redefine the orientation of the camera with a Ctrl-Alt-0 shortcut. We will now add a material to our plan to achieve the desired effect. Go to the shading editor and add a material. Change the shader to emission shader because we haven't defined any light in our scene. Now add a gradient node and connect it to the shader to see its effect. Then add an RGB mix node and connect it to the shader. Readjust the link of the gradient node. Add a map range node and test its effects. Finally, add two image textures with the photos to compare. Finally, we are going to add an animation directly on the material to gradually make the second photo appear instead of the first. Limit the duration of the animation to 100 frames. Modify the values of the map range node fields as shown on the screen. Press the I key to add a keyframe. Now move to frame 100 and change the value of the from max field of the map range node. Press the I key to add a keyframe. You can now run the animation to see the result. Thanks you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe and click the bell icon to get new video updates.